Hello viewers, this is Nisha H. Kamath. Welcome you to the mathematics class of 7th standard on fractions and decimals. In today's video, we learn decimal numbers, expanded form of decimal numbers, place value chart and comparing the decimals. Now let's see what is a decimal number. On the screen here, you see the decimal number, that is 319.478. This decimal point is the one which helps us to recognize that the number is a decimal number. This 9 comes in the ones place or units place, 1 in the tens place, 3 in the hundreds place. So 319 is the whole number. So after the decimal place, whatever you have should be less than 1. Because see, tens place value is less than this hundreds place value. Ones place value is less than the tens place value. So 4's value of this 4 in this place should be less than 1. That will be 1/10. Please note, not TENS, it is TENTHS, tens place. Similarly, next 7 is in the 100th place and 8 is in the 1000th place. Every time the place value, when you go from 1 to 1, it is in a difference of 10. That is 1 into 10 gives you tens, 10 into 10 gives you 100, or 100 divided by 10 gives you 10, 10 divided by 10 gives you 1, 1 divided by 10 gives you 1/10, and 1/10 divided by 10 gives you 1/100th. Now let's see how to write it in the expanded form, 319.478. Now 3 is in the 100th place, so 3 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 9 into 1. Till here you have already learnt it in your previous classes. How do we write the decimal numbers in the expanded form? So after the decimal you have 4 in the 1/10th place. So it is 4 multiplied by 1 by 10, 7 multiplied by 1 by 100 and 8 multiplied by 1 by 1000, which is equal to 300 plus 10 plus 9 plus 4 by 10 plus 7 by 100 plus 8 by 1000. This is how a decimal number is written in the expanded form. This is the place value chart for the decimal numbers. Usually till now we used to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and so on. But now you have the decimal point plus you have the tens place, hundredth place and thousandth place. So if you take up this number 123.456, 1 is written in the hundreds place, 2 in tens, 3 in ones place. A decimal point which separates the whole number and this decimal number, this is tens place, that is 4 is in the tens place, 5 is in the hundredth place and 6 is in the thousandth place. If you take another example, 0.038, nothing is there in tens and hundredth place. You have 0 in the ones place. Again in the tens place nothing is there, so it is 0. 3 in the hundredth place and 8 in the thousandth place. Rest of this you can try it on your own. Now let's see how to read the decimal numbers. You can see 5 decimal numbers here. First one is 0.1. Second one is read as 0.01. Next one 0.001. 3.78 and the last one 15.29. Next we will see how to compare the decimals. Comparing is nothing but telling which is big, which is small or whether they are equal. first you have to compare the whole numbers. Here it is 42, here it is 423. So we don't have to worry about the decimal places now because whole number itself is different. That is 42 here, 423 here. This whole number is bigger. So naturally this 42.875 will be less than 423.95. But look at this second example. Here you have 23 as a whole number. Even in the second number, you have 23 as a whole number. Now, you have to compare the tens place. So, what do you have in the tens place here? 7. What about this? It is 8. So, 8 is bigger than 7, isn't it? Therefore, 23.75 will be smaller than 23.89. Time for today's assignment. Now, look at the table here. Some cities names have been given and the length of the subways have been given in kilometers. London 4.15, Moscow 3.4, New York City 3.71, Seoul 2.78 and Tokyo 2.81. Which city has the longest subway system? Similarly, fill in all the blanks in this table. Here you have to write the digits in the places. Here already the place is given. You have to tell what does this number represent. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.